Morning, welcome to the channel. This is another one of those bad weather videos. I'm just doing this while things warm up. But this is to show that no job's too small. And every time you do a job, do your best. And confidence will come. Knowledge will come. And you'll be more prepared the next time to take on a bigger project. Now, this is just a very simple little hand truck repair. And here we go.
That rim's bent real good, and I don't think it's the axle. In fact, I know it's not the axle. Yep, it's the rim. Guess you're going to have to fix that.
You know, race car building isn't all fun and games, and you know, sometimes things break, like my distributor gear, which is part of what got me doing these videos, was just sharing that information and knowledge to make the repair. But you know, sometimes your equipment breaks, and like this old hand truck right here. The wheel's bent. The one on the other side's bent a little worse than this one, as you saw in the earlier video. And this thing's probably 100 times moved more weight than that engine. And it just happened that today it decided the old rims had had enough and they were going to go ahead and bend. And I'd already got a set of new tires and wheels for it because I've been anticipating, because the tires is dry rotting. And this is just one of those things where, you know, don't let it get you down. It happens. You have to repair things. Everything breaks at some point. And you have to stop and fix your equipment. Now, this side doesn't even have a washer on it. The other side over there actually has a washer between the bearing and the carter pin. But this side doesn't. So, you know, this is not a big repair. It's really a rather boring repair from all aspects. It's just a hand truck. But when you need the tool to do the job and it decides that that's the time it's going to take to break, which is just Murphy's Law, you know, this is one of them ones that'll help get your confidence up. You know, I needed this hand truck, so I went ahead and I put these tires on it. I spent $30 putting 2 tires on it instead of $60 or $80, whatever they are now. Taking a trip down to the import store to buy a new hand truck. There, it's ready to go. That tire should last another 6 to 10 years. Maybe by then the frame will be started rusting. But you know, it's not a very big deal, but it's just something you do. And every time you do a little job, no matter how small or insignificant it seems, take pride in that you did it right, and you did it with care and craftsmanship. And the next thing you know, you're doing a little bit bigger project, and a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger, and a little bit bigger. And then one day, who knows, maybe you're building your own car, boat, airplane, spaceship, whatever. You never know where it's going to go. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day. There. Now we got old hand truck with new hand truck feel.